I got a package in the mail yesterday and I thought it would be really fun to show you what I ordered. My name is Stephanie and I am the Everyday Sewist. And about a week or so ago, Missouri Star Quilt Company had what they called a lightning round all day long of different deals. And I snatched up a few things, and I was actually looking for a couple of things to finish a couple of my projects that I'm working on. So the timing of it was really great, and so I ordered a bunch of things. And here it is. Let's open it up and I will share with you what I got. So it wasn't all on the special daily deal. Some things were at regular price, but first I got my flat chuck he's the 2026 250 years of quilting. And I bought a charm pack of Tula Pink Floral Reef, one of her newer lines coming out. I am really excited about this. I wanted to see what the whole line looked like, and so I wanted to get the charm pack. Ah, cute. This is going to be a background for one of my projects coming up. It's a yard and a half of Midnight Masquerade confetti toss. I also, since I knew I would love some of the floral reef, I bought a piece of one of the fabrics in it. This was another fabric that I bought as a possible background for one of my Halloween projects. Yes, I know it's early, but that's okay. I was thinking about it. This one I know was on the daily deal. This was a 3-yard cut of regular with white on white fabric. I thought that would be just a really good thing to have on hand. I have really enjoyed having these quilt storage bags, so I bought a couple more. These were also on special. So when I give quilts now, I'm probably going to be able to give them in these bags. That's another one in a different color, and another one. So I am well stocked in quilt storage bags. I bought a couple of patterns that I had seen recently that I really liked. This one is called Neighborhood Nights. I love that dark background. I didn't buy a dark background this time, so I might have to go back and look and see what I had. This one was made, the sample was made with Bloomberry by Minky Kim. So, love that. And I do have some layer cakes. So even if I don't use hers, I want to pull out one of my layer cakes and try this. And I just showed you my house quilt not long ago, and I really feel like I need to make another one. I also bought this pattern for Night Sky. I just really like the medallion nature of this, and it's also a pattern for 10-inch squares. Do you see a theme here? This one was on one of the Daily Deal specials, and it is a layer cake of just background fabric. So if I'm going to make this one, I can use this layer cake for the background. And this is going to be a backing, I hope, for my disappearing hourglass quilt that I've been working on. I kept wanting to make a backing out of what I had, and it just wasn't talking to me. And I just really wanted that quilt to come out with a single piece on the backing. A lot of times I'm fine to have many pieces of different fabrics on the back, but on this one, for some reason, I just felt like it needed to be a single piece. So I bought this gorgeous black and white cape, which I love it. So I hope it'll go and do what I want it to do for the backing of the quilt. But if it doesn't, I am really happy to have it in my stash. No, this was not on sale, but it was one of the things that I was specifically shopping for. And what else? What else do I have? Oh, good. So I wanted to, one of their specials was batting, and I always like to keep lots of batting on hand. This was a fantastic price on a white batting, and it's 100% cotton. I have not used their batting more than maybe once or twice, and so again, great price. I wanted to try it. This is a twin size batting. So, and it comes with a cute little free pattern on the back. So there it is. What a fantastic mix of things to finish projects with, things to dream about doing, and ways to gift and store my quilts when I'm done. So thank you, Missouri Star Quilt Company. That was a really fun day of checking in on that lightning round where they had a new deal every 30 minutes. And I just happened to be around and was able to catch some of it. They had it again a couple days later, and I didn't get anything that day. So you never know. You might find something, you might not. But it was super fun, and thanks for joining me on this unboxing of all of my goodies. See you soon. Bye-bye.